Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to talk about an easy way to make money online using all the free tools that are available. So if you watch the video until the end, I will show you actually how you can make money using all the free tools, and this method work worldwide. You don't have to buy anything, and just follow this step-by-step method and you can actually make money online. And before we begin the video, I want to talk about this one called I am interesting on cryptocurrency. Right now I invest around £50 and 5 different cryptocurrency coins that you can see: Shiba Inu, Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin and Solana. So cryptocurrency is the future. Again, guys, if you are interested, you can buy and sell cryptocurrency much faster with the Coinbase. There's a link in the description. Create your free account with it. So if you are interested in buying cryptocurrencies, you can use Coinbase link in the description and buy that. You can buy a minimum as $2, and you can deposit any money that you want, $1 to $100, up to you guys. Now we go to the videos. So in this video, we're going to use a website like Amazon and other websites to make money online. The first thing is, when you come to Amazon, you're going to find a top selling product or top selling niche. In this case, I'm going with self-help books. You can see these are self-help books are selling every single day, and some of them have amazing reviews that you can see over 1,000 review on that. And this book is the one famous. You can see over 27,000 review on that. So imagine that you promote this book and you make money as an affiliate income. Now you're gonna go there and promote that in the social media, but you're gonna promote that in different ways. The first thing is you're gonna use a Google trend to make sure that niche that you pick from Amazon has a search volume every single month. That you can see on Google trend worldwide, there's always search for this topic, and you can see it's worldwide topic and the search result over 60%, which means you can promote this product and still you can make money online. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna use this website. It's called parlay.com, and you can see this is a social media. It's blocked a while ago, now it's working again, and you can see it's 1.87 million. It's similar to Twitter, but it's a targeted traffic, and you can see this is Taiwan countries like USA and UK. So if you promote these kind of offers on this website, and you can still make money from it. But here you can just go there and put the so for example, if you want to promote this product, open up, and you can't just copy the affiliate link and put it on their website because you will get blocked from it. But there's an alternative way to do that. First thing what you do, go to Google and find a self-help related articles on that. So you can see this one of these article I found is a 42 practical way to start working on self-improvement. Now once you find these articles, you're gonna copy and paste exactly the same, but the problem is you can't just copy entire articles because there's a world limit on Parlay. So you can do is you can copy some of this information. So for example, this is a 42 different ways. You can copy 2 at each time, so you can create a multiple post every single day. So with the 42 hacks or 42 method, you can divide that by 2. That means you can roughly create 21 posts from one single articles. All you have to do is just copy this information, and after you copy that, go to Parlay, your profile, and click Parlay, and you're going to copy and paste that information. Like that, you can see you put the title and you put 2 hacks on it. Now how you can earn money? This is why this other website comes to play. This is called kit.co, kit.co. This website is allowed to build Amazon store, affiliate store for free within a couple of minutes. So if you're promoting business, for example, tech related product on your YouTube or social media, you can build page like this one, and you can promote all of the Amazon affiliate product on here. Like that, you can see people are promoting this laptop on here. That you can see they have their audience on other social media. All they have to do is they have to copy and paste this URL URLs of their store, and they add all the affiliate product on from Amazon on here. So people click that and they buy on Amazon, they make affiliate commission. You can see this is a much better deal. So you can build Amazon affiliate website within a couple of minutes. This kind of niche pay you more money because these laptops are cost more than $100, so you can have a larger commission on it. When it comes to books, the commission is low, but is up to quantity of that sales. After you create a free account with kit.co, all you have to do is click this plus sign on here. Now you're gonna give, now what you have to do, click this one called create a new kit, which means a new page for your product. You're going to give a best title for that. If you have a social media, for example, you do a product review on technology or gadget, you can use that name as your kit name. Otherwise, you can give any similar name to the affiliate product that you are promoting. In this case, I am promoting best self-help books. Now what you're going to do also, you're going to give a best description for that for your store, so it will make a better for the people who are clicking on your store. So this video, keep it simple. I'm going to click next on it. Now here you have to add a product. I always recommend go to the second link, paste your link, so you can paste your affiliate link on here. So go back to your Amazon store, and this is the product that you want to promote. But when you register with the Amazon affiliate program, this bar will be appear. This is where you're gonna get your affiliate link. Click text button and it will give this affiliate link. You're gonna copy that, go back to the kit store, and you're gonna paste that link on here and click search, and it will bring that product to you automatically. All you have to do is click add button to your store like that. You can see I will bring all the title. Now what you have to do is you need to give a description of that product. Basically this website keep it simple, they don't add any description. You can add your own description. Simply go back to the Amazon and find the description of this product, and what you can do, you can use the description and the review from this page to write your own description. Otherwise, if you don't want to write anything, just copy the description of the product, go back to the store, click and paste it on here, and click add to kit. Now this product will be added kit store, so all you have to do is click view kit. We don't want to share it now, so share it later. And this is your kit URLs or kit page, and you can say this is the product that you are added. If they click Amazon button, it will take to the Amazon, they buy it and you make money from it. Now here that you can see, if you click three dots on here and copy link to share and copy and paste the URLs, and this is your page will be appear on here. You can add your cover image and make it simply like a store, and your affiliate website is ready without making. So basically what you do is you can use kit.co to create Amazon affiliate website without building any website, and this is completely free. Now what you do after you get your link, go back to Parlay. You're gonna copy and paste the post. Underneath you're gonna copy and paste your kit ID. I already did it on here. So if the people click that URLs, it will take to this page where they can click this product and they can buy it. I will make a commission. Now with this free method, you already find a niche that you want to promote, and you make sure that a niche has a competition, that search volume every single month. You're going to use a Google trend for that you can see. After that, you're gonna go to Google to find similar articles on that niche like this one. You're gonna break this article to smaller portion, because all social media always is valuable. There's information is short and simple, so you can break this 42 points into very smaller points like this one. Then you're gonna go to kit.co to create Amazon affiliate page, and promote a similar product for your niche from Amazon, and you're gonna put that URLs for the store on that post, and you're gonna do that every single day. Now you can use this same method with other social media. I will make that video in coming days. So if you want to learn about that, all you have to do is like this video and press the bell icon and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will make that video in coming days. Also guys, if you want to buy your cryptocurrencies, you can use the Coinbase to do it. I did it myself. It's much easier. You can buy a cryptocurrency for $2, $3. It's up to you guys. There's a link in the description for Coinbase. If you're interested, click that and create your free account with it guys. And with that, have a good day. See you next video guys.